Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be building our sleeper PC. So yesterday I got this Sony Vaio off Craigslist, and if you remember my old build with a dual dimension, the specs are basically identical. It's got a Pentium 4, 2.8 gigahertz, and about 2 gigs of. This one came with 2 gigs of RAM, and you have Windows XP. So I'm going to build another sleeper, but it's not going to be as powerful as my FX 6300 build because you know that hardware is not the cheapest, and if it was like 20 bucks, I'd take it. So now I'm going to try to play some games on the current hardware, you know, on Windows 7 of course, because Windows XP is old as balls. Plus the old Maxer drive, you'll probably be able to hear it too well. Okay, so I'm going to try just 2 games for now. Minecraft. I don't think Minecraft's going to work, but I do get. And I'm also going to try Half-Life 2. And then I'm also going to try Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Okay. So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the video card on this computer is a Radeon 9200. It's a legacy card, and if any of you people that use an iBook, this is the same GPU used in the iBook G4. So I will get all your games loaded up, and we are going to be starting the build shortly after these benches. Before and after. Okay, so Half-Life 2 keeps crashing the installer, and so I'm going to now just run Minecraft and that San Andreas game. Zoom out a little bit. And you know what? I'm going to get those games going. I actually did forget to install one more program here. It's our FPS program, Fraps. And afterwards, I'm going to start with Minecraft, because soon. Okay, game's done. Let's see if it'll insta-crash or play. Keep in mind we have a 128 megabyte VRAM Radeon 9200. And Pentium 4 at 2.8 gigahertz, Northwood, with hyperthreading. I honestly don't think this is gonna work. Okay, the game booted. Let's see if I can adjust the setting. It says we're running at 0 FPS. Wow. Okay, fuck it, I'm giving up on Minecraft. This thing is too damn slow. Poor computer. Oh. Give me that shit. There. Oh, shit. That's a recording, but here. Let's try San Andreas next. It's probably not going to run any better. We'll give it a shot. There's a Fraps. I don't have an aux cord on me. Let's see what settings we're gonna run with. High quality 800 by 600. And well, obviously we have to turn off the FPS limiter, just because. New game. This is the common thing that people would play. And let's see what frame rate we're getting in GDA. Hold on a sec, you know what, I have controller. No. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I forgot about the invert mouse thing. Okay. So now we're running. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh wow, I'm such a bad driver. Okay, so we're getting about 25 FPS on high. Can you guys see that FPS meter yet? Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. Oh, okay, wow. This is okay, let's try lower. Nope. Don't have to breathe. Display, advanced, set the graphics quality low. Start 800 by 600 low. Let's see what we get. Okay, if we go low settings, we can play around 50 FPS. That ain't bad. This is driving around on a bicycle. Let's try. And oh, I hit some. Let's drive around in the car. That is, if I can drive. Yeah, I can't drive. 45 yeah, we're around 45 FPS in the area, ain't too bad. So dropping into the 30s here, but generally the FPS is pretty good, considering it's a Pentium. Alright, so now I'm going to build my sleeper. So I will now shut this thing down and put it on the floor so we can gut it. And I'm going to show you the new motherboard we're going to install on it. Oh yeah. I don't know why that thing instantly blue screens. I told it to shut off, damn it. This thing for some reason likes a blue screen when you shut it off. I have no why, but it's some crappy DLL. It's got it. Okay, battery is dying on the camera fast, so I gotta work fast. But let's grab a screwdriver, start doing stuff. Alright guys, here's the new motherboard I'm putting in. Sorry, I'm going to hold it here, but this is an HP Pavilion motherboard, micro ETX. I have no I/O shield for this, unfortunately. But it does work. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering, yes, that cooler is broken. But I'm going to hope it'll stay on long enough that I can use it. Use it just temporarily, even if it's sideways, but I'm going to hope it'll fit. I doubt this thing will fit properly. Okay, the cable management is actually done. It's not too bad if you ask me. So now I'm gonna go plug it in and see if she'll boot up. Okay, smoke test. 3, 2, 1. Shit. Damn switch. 3, 2, 1. Damn it! I got the front panel wrong. The screen. Oh, nice. Yay, for once the motherboard didn't give a the CPU fan error, because this motherboard is giving me CPU fan error all the time until I plugged it in. Looks like there's no boot device. That'll be an easy fix. So I'm going to install Windows. That is, if I can find the USB ports. Escape. Yes, the optical drive makes that kind of noise.
Hey look, I found the most important video
What?
the R7-240.
Oh. Hey, check this out. I'm running the system and it's being literally held by one thing.
Yeah.
Man, what the hell?
Don't blow this thing up.
I'm not gonna blow it up. I just realized that was a Windows 7 flash drive. Well, that was a Windows 7 flash drive. I wanted Windows 10, but whatever. Please be Windows. Really? I gotta make me another flash drive. Well, the motherboard turned out to be dead, but the build was sort of fun. It was sort of fun getting the cable management, which, as you can see, pretty bad. But to be honest, this board was having PCIe lane problems, and I think the north bit on this thing was failing. Like, as soon as I put this in, it worked fine for a little bit, and then it stopped working. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to just go to Free Geeks and find our board, and then I guess this will just be part 1 of my video building on our sleeper PC. So have a good night, everyone, and this will be the end of part 1.